Hey everyone, welcome to Crafty Nurse Q. Today I am doing a cash stuffing for the first week in November. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Qvatis, and on this channel I do all things budget related. I am a zero-based budgeter, and I am on a journey to debt freedom. I'm a faith-based budgeter, and I do savings challenges, cash stuffings, and budget setups, and I also do tutorials. If you enjoyed content like this, consider subscribing, sticking along, and staying along for the journey. Make sure you like and leave me some comments. I do always try to get back in my comment section. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 400. 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $900. Okay. All right, let's get more. I didn't get the fives. Did I? No, I mean, I didn't get the ones. I usually don't bother with the ones, and I just pull them out, but it'll be fine. All right, so let's get started here. I'm getting started with my variable spending wallet. Make sure this is the right way. Okay. All right, and I get started off with my tithes. It's more blessed to give than to receive. All right, and the tithes are getting 90. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. How do y'all do your tithes? Do you just send them over electronically? Because, you know, everything is out like Zelle and $10 for my coffee. Or do you just, in and out? Because, you know, your tithes, you give 10% of whatever you have, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 for dining out. And then the Lord just stretches the money. He just stretches it for us, right? 20, 40, 60 for gas. Oh my gosh, gas has the nerve to be trying to creep back up. Do you think it's a part? How is the gas in your area? Is it a part of the, or do you think they're trying to make it seem like it's a part of the, what's that stuff that's going on with the USDA? I don't know. 20. How was I doing giving? I don't think this is it. 20. I think this is getting like this. 10, 25 for giving. Because I was supposed to have some fives, but I didn't get them. All right. 200 for groceries, and might as well just have the $200 bills, because anytime you go into that store, it's gonna be high like that. It's gonna be on up there. It's definitely gotten to be something. And I at one point, you'll see if you look back through my videos, I was like having the struggle for me was always my groceries coming up too much. It was always the groceries coming up too much. And then I just had to finally get real with myself and realize, okay, it's food, your food, because really it's food and household and all the others, a lot of the other spending, and I just pull it out of the same grocery money. All right, so that is my variable spending wallet. All right, and what is your how many? Okay, tell me this: how many people are in your household, and what is your grocery bill looking like per month? Or do you know what your grocery bill is? Okay, and I said towards health now, I needed 80, 40, 60, 80. Is that right? Yeah, that is. It's looking right. It's looking right. Okay, and then the savings is getting this last one, 200, 210, 215. All right, and then that is all now. Everything that I will be cash stuffing today, make sure you keep. I will be doing the mini cash stuffing, and you know what? I did not reallocate my monies from my last when I did my closeout. I have not reallocated those funds, so that is going to be coming up soon as well. But yeah, leave me in the comments. Let me know what's your grocery bill looking like and how many people you have in your household. And don't forget to check the links below, because right now it's important that we're doing our expense tracking. I do have some expense trackers linked, and I will have a monthly budget sheet linked. And I think that's it. Maybe a paycheck breakdown. I'm not sure if it's attached. But anyway, check it. It'll be over on my Ko-Fi shop. Until then, you guys have a great day. Bye.